In the previous section, we saw the key principles related to user experience while designing your data visualization. The most important fact is that you should know your customer or user. Now, in this section, we are going to discuss few user experience principles. These principles are timeless and can be used in any situation, may that be data visualization or creating your website or creating a mobile application. So these are the 5 user experience principles. The first one is digestibility. A good design should be easy to digest. The brain shouldn't have to spend a ton of energy to figure out what's going on and what they are looking for. The main point should be visible very clearly. The second key principle is clarity. Clarity is similar to having simplicity in your design. Sometimes you are providing some value proposition, or you are placing a free trials button, or maybe in some data points of your data visualization, you want your user to perform certain action. At that point of time, you should be very clear on presenting what to do and why they are doing it for. So this information will help you to make your user understand what they are required to do. The third key principle is having trust. Being honest and clear in explanation builds trust at each step, but as your user starts to trust your website or applications, then you don't have to spend more resources in building that trust, and it will be very easier and more enjoyable user experience. The fourth key principle is familiarity. Now this is very important because once the user is familiar with your design, then they don't have to spend much time in learning what to do and what not. For example, if you see the sign up form, then they are almost similar in most of the website which you use. They have the same name, last name, your email ID, your password, and a submit button. So that's pretty much similar. So you don't have to spend much of the effort in explaining what to do, and your user will be less confused, and your user experience will be much better. Now the final user experience principle is delight. It's been said that idea isn't enough anymore, that execution is what wins the war. One of the best examples can be when you see someone using a Xbox. They are so much immensely engaged with the game itself that they might forget that they are actually interacting with the software. The ultimate delight is when someone forgets your product is a product, where it's useful that it doesn't even read as a product anymore, just simply as some useful things in a personal life. Now these are the 5 key principles: digestibility, clarity, trust, familiarity, and delight. Now whenever you design next time any interface, it can be a mobile application, a website, or a data visualization, if you pay attention to these 5 key principles, are they following these 5 key principles, then you will be far better off with the design as per the user experience guidelines.